Hey guys, Victor Delorme here. In today's video, guys, I wanted to talk to you about entrepreneurship. And oftentimes consider myself an entrepreneur and a CPA. Entrepreneurs are normally subject to what we call the next shiny object. We're subject to pretty much a distraction on different opportunities and a distraction on like the next thing, right? And typically when you are an entrepreneur and you're busy and you're productive running your business, you can get distracted, right? And sometimes you get distracted to a thing, to a business, to an opportunity, right? That you are not an expert on, right? And this opportunity is pretty much outside of your circle of competence. So today I want to talk to you about your circle of competence, right? So what is your circle of competence, right? That's the next thing. That's the first thing actually you want to know, right? That you want to answer to yourself before you jump into an opportunity, right? So three key aspects of what we call the circle of competence is number one is the money aspect of it, okay? Do you understand the finances of it? Do you understand the money aspect of it? Do you know how much resources, how much money it's going to take for you to be able to deliver the product or the services on this new opportunity, right? To the customers or the clients. You understand, how often you have to deploy capital, how often you have to make payments, right? Or collect payments. Or if the pricing structure changes, do you know how to manage that change, right? So yeah, you want to make sure that you understand the money aspect of this new opportunity that you're about to actually jump into. And number two, you understand third parties. And when I say third parties is pretty much you understand the suppliers and the partners that you're dealing with. Like, do you know who you're going to partner with in order for you to understand, or complement the products or services that you're providing, right? You understand how the supply chain works, right? Like in the environment in which we're living in right now after COVID, right? There's a backlog in the supply chain. Okay, so coming to the supply chain question, you understand how it changes when changes in environment do happen, right? Do you understand the money aspect of it and your suppliers and your partners? You understand what the payment terms are, right? And so this is very important, right? And then number three is what is the benefit to you and what is the benefit to your clients? Because in order for you to benefit from the new opportunity, you have to understand that there's gonna be a benefit for somebody else, right? So in order for you to add value, you have to make sure that the services you're providing, you're adding value to somebody, right? To your client or your customer. Once you add value to them, then you add value to yourself. Okay, so question is, do you know how to add value to your customer or to your client with this new opportunity? Do you understand that, right? If the answer is no to any of these three questions, then that means that you pretty much do not have, this new opportunity is not inside your circle of competence. And then you have to go back and research and understand this new industry, this new opportunity. Make sure that you dominate these three aspects so it gets closer to your circle of competence. Once you have that information, then you consider making the investment into this new opportunity. As always, guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one.